Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up configure ChargeHub for station verification, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, unpack the ChargeHub device and ensure all accessories are included. Connect the ChargeHub to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, power on the device by plugging it into a wall outlet. Once powered, open a web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type the ChargeHub's default IP address, which is usually provided in the user manual. Press Enter to access the ChargeHub's configuration page. You may be prompted to enter a username and password. Refer to the user manual for default login credentials. After logging in, navigate to the station verification section of the page. Here, you will enter the necessary details for your station. This typically includes the station name, location, and contact information. Once all information is filled in, look for the Save or Submit button. Click it to ensure your configurations are saved. Next, verify that the settings are correct by reviewing the summary page. If everything appears accurate, proceed to the next step. Connect your ChargeHub to your charging station by following the wiring instructions in the manual. Ensure all connections are secure and properly insulated. After this, power on the charging station if it's not already on. Return to the ChargeHub configuration page to refresh your settings. Check the status indicator for any errors or issues. If errors are displayed, troubleshoot according to the user manual's guidelines. If the status is clear, proceed to test the charging function with a compatible device. Monitor the charging process for a few minutes to ensure everything operates smoothly. Once confirmed, your ChargeHub setup is complete and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.